Today's direct injection systems use a high pressure pump under the hood that optimizes performance from 65 psi to 2900 psi at flow rates up to 1.12 cubic feet per minute. Further back in the system, a turbine pump mounted in the fuel tank virtually eliminates fuel pulsation and noise, providing exceptional hot start performance and preventing onboard electronic interference thanks to superior electronic shielding. And of course, getting the engine started and keeping it running is handled by a staggering variety of engine management sensors under the hood. These sensors provide safety, convenience, and accessibility features that yesterday's cars just couldn't address, along with improved power, efficiency, and reliability. Customers demand more from their vehicles, so the vehicles depend on more sensors than ever. Even the most compact class vehicles are likely to have more than 60 different sensors on board. These components are actually wear components, so you'll likely need to explain what a sensor does and/or why it's important. Your customers will likely be overwhelmed by their engine management system. Thanks to trusted aftermarket partners, you can help make diagnosis and repair easy and reliable. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.